Okay, this will be about adding clothing type assets. It is possible to add extra clothing type identifiers, such as clothes jacket patch and the anarchy to create Charlie's jacket. So yes, you may be able to make some odd creations. As in the previous video, you saw the shirt I was wearing had like 5 different things on it. It's pretty wild. I'll show it. For example, rippers are a hybrid of 4 different glove types. Just to show you that we have gloves rags, gloves claw, gloves chains, and gloves wrists. Those 4 combined create rippers. You can add as many clothing types as you want from any clothing type. Yeah, you can have glove related assets on your shirt, as seen in my my shirt that I have bare hands on. Okay, let's get on it. We are going to take some gloves, these. Okay, I should go over this. From the very beginning of the item code. Okay, never mind. We have to select our item code first. So we go to the very first asset, and we just move 14. How much was it? We move 14 bytes before the clothing type, or a 0E selection. 0E. Then we select the entire code, and you just paste her in there. Right. Now, from the very beginning of the item code, right here, this is the beginning, very beginning, move 10 bytes or 0A selection to the right. There will be a number. That number is a 4-byte string. Right here, this 02 number, it's 4 bytes. Pretty hard to go over just a single one though, I'll be honest. After that string is a single byte, which is connected to the first clothing type. Right here. Not important. Example of the item you want to add only has 2 parts to it. You add 3. Okay, let's show that color test. Good God. I believe this is color test. If you want to add to if the item you want to add to only has 2 parts to it, and you add 3 parts, change 02 into 05. So like these gloves, if I were to add say 4 extra different assets to it, that would change the 02 into a 06. Just like on this shirt, it was originally a 02, and I added a whole bunch of stuff onto it, so now this number says 06. I had to change that so that it would work. Change it to 06 so it would work, because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 different assets onto it. This is a shirt, but it does have a hat asset and a glove asset. Just so you know. Change this back to 02 because that's all we have currently. But I am going to be adding things onto this, such as this star beanie. We're going to take just the star. Oh, I forgot how confusing this part is. So basic, oh shit, man. Okay, let's just select the entire thing for now. Right there. I got a little lost, sorry. Because I have to explain color codes, which we will go over in a different video as well. Basically, a color code in this game lasts about 30 bytes. So this is the part we want, is hat star, because this creates the star on the beanie. We just select 30 bytes right there, and then there. HXD is weird. We can delete this. And then we go to, we're gonna change this to a 0.3. And we see gloves, rags. Right there, 30. Then we're just gonna paste our code. Now we're gonna have a star on our head for no reason. On our gloves. And this comrade hat, I also want, did I messed up here. Okay. Undo. I did not select 1 byte before it. You want to go 1 byte before, because this tells the game, hey, 08, there's 08 byte, there's 8 bytes worth of identifier of asset right here to create hat star. Want to copy that actually. Then we take gloves, rags, go to 30 bytes, click here. Now we're good. Just like this comrade hat, hot straw star wings. Go 30 bytes. 1 byte before, so you just select 3E. I should add that, huh? That'd make things so much simpler. Just select 3E. Anyway, we're already at our position. So we can just do that again. Just paste it. And type 04 here now. We're also going to steal this hoodie. What did I say? 3E? 3E, right? That doesn't make sense. Why doesn't that make sense? That's why it doesn't make sense, because they're okay. They're all different lengths. Don't do that. What I said. Always go from the end of the identifier, select 30, then go from there. You can see this one was 3F in length. Why would the other one be? Where am I? What's this? 3A. This one was 3A. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Shit. Straw wings. 30. Paste. Turn this into a 05. This is getting really messy. Just make sure we do have 5. Gloves up at 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna take this button up as well. Close button up right there. And there. And there. Here? What's this? Asset. Yeah, here. What the fuck is this doing here? It's confusing me. Close hood D. Right there. Control V, paste D. This to a 06. We also want these tainted wraps. I guess they're rags. Let's get some rags on our hand. Right there. Close button up there. 30. Click over here. That is what? Wait, what? Something has gone awry. Let's go back to the close button up. 30. 1 byte before 41. For 0. Should look like that. Rags 30. Look, 3C. We like that number. Just before the 07. Well, not the zeros. Just before that. Are we on 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 07. Oh, I also wanted some claws as well. Oops, claw. That's different. 30. Now we have 8. Oh my god. And that's it. Now we go back to assets. What's right here? 0. My prop. 0. How big are props? 4x4, 16, 10. That's how big props are. 10. Bam, 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 bam. Okay. We take, just select assets by going right there. We select 0E worth of bytes. Select the entirety. Oh my god. 8 assets, and look at this shit. 20B is the length. Anyone want to know what that equals in English? 20B. 523 bytes. That's how long our item has become. Just make sure there's 8. We take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, cool. Paste. Oh my god. Save. Steam. Charlie Murder. Oi, oi, my microphone. Oh no! We broke something. Son of a bitch. Okay. Okay, time to look at the code. Search. Underscore. 1. Fuck. 8 hits. Yeah, what the fuck? Okay. B. Gloves hobo. B. 30. 0 B. Gloves rags. B. 30. 30. I'm sorry. 08. 08. Uh-oh. Hat star. Okay. Hat star. I fucked up at the very beginning. D, 0 E, but D, 0 E, and E, 0, 1 0, 1 0, 3 0, 0 B, 0 B, 3 0, 0 B, 0 B, 3 0, 0 7, 0 7. Okay, now we're good. I just copied that twice. Gloves. Oops. E. Good God. And E. Now it should work. How am I gonna export the WAV file? I wasn't even playing any music, I forgot about it. Fuck. It works. We're good. Look at all that. I look like a clown. Let's go in here. We take this off, we take this off. Now we... It's an arm, a hand, and a claw. Why can't I? Okay, that was weird. What happens if I drop it? That looks hella funny. Assets. As you can see, we have our rag, our glove, our hoodie, and our button up. We got the wings and the star. And in the next video, I will show you how to change the opacity / transparency of all these and their colors. So we can make that star stick out more, turn like red or something. And that those wings, you can change those a different color. We could take the jacket, the button up, since it's overpowering the hoodie, and change the opacity lower than the hoodie so that it's like a fade. We can also make these like phantom claws by changing the opacity really low, and possibly even change their colors. And I don't know what's going on with the fist, but that's how you add a whole bunch of shit to your item. Have a good day.